You are the reader of the Akashic Records and the direct connection to Source. You will examine and describe the consciousness of the group assembled here tonight and relate suggestions to aid them in their understanding of greater reality and taking their next steps in soul growth and spiritual development. You will also answer all questions.
You see the group present tonight is strong in their vibratory presence to truth. We see these ones have a high potential to be able to communicate and interact with inner level masters, ascended masters. We see a common dharmic trend for this group is the willingness to see beyond what is, the willingness to receive vision, the willingness to progress and transform that which is needing change. We see the karmic trend for these ones present is the need for focus. There's a need for a deeper focalized attention upon their desires and a willingness to be more choosy with what they place their attention on and what they release. The willingness to become mindful of the presence of the attention is an important key to their overall wellness and fulfillment. This is all.